Welcome to the channel and welcome to this reading. Thank you so much for joining us here today. Ngasigi reading si monthly reading in November tha si da kari kari thokada khokada ba yeng asi yengminar si mayam ko. Sai si da pokpa numitu gi matung ina dum tawjarak panina pokpa numitu gi matung ina dum yeng asi ko. Sunday da pokpa na Sunday da yengbiro, Monday da pokpa na Monday da yengbiro, so on and so forth. Saturday bogi hapjarni for first timers ko ngaw dana ba description box tagi timestamp ta pokpa numitu gi matung ina dum nambiro. And aduna to saksalaga so tumya isam samna ko. For personal reading pambiragadi ay contact information, WhatsApp ki link and Instagram ki link loinamag description box tagi labi bayagani. Khara na message halakpana WhatsApp to orani. Instagram se pak paide aduna admai to si yang asi. And without any further delay, let's get right into the reading. Sunday tagi horasi and matang manaw nani yang asi. Okay, Sunday gi se akoy na dumi ang performat ta ko career gi financial status ko ko to paisa nu sai matang da ko tha sigi love life ko mai to buno single and relationships ki separated or branch khaidok pa yabri yang si and family and friends akoy gi life ta labor platonic or relationships kai ko and emotional stability finally sigi mga se dumi ngani and so yang si akoy gi career gi sida Sunday career se handa ki tha sida lari se card se hamada phak pakanda upsilaga tai ko phak to ye and tari se 8 of pentacles tari ba handa ki tha manung sida effort se thada habane effort thada dragadi mahi charo but handa ki tha sida na mahi chani habdi leite ko career gi matang da effort thada energy thada wari ne ko honabam thokpa honagadaba do handa ki tha sigi manung sida honagadaba adu maina hairi handa ki thasda mahi chabagi mami di pakna ude do thada baje nahangai thada dribara kaino di khangde ko nahangai thada ram basu yai natra anauba prospect amada anauba career line amada energy thada gada poram basu yai but handa ki thasde effort ki tha oreba effort thada biu hard work to biu sineba ko aije Sunday ge career gi matang da dusu lere and kai da kai lege habdo humna na thidana tawdri kai di masana khangpado oigire baduna kaida kai legi se homna na khotana koror khotana thibiyo handa ki thamanung se and effort thada bam thokpado hojikte ki thada ba horagadi the faster you begin ko the sooner you'll get the result aduduna handa ki thasida effort thada ba hona ba koi thibiyo if you're looking for a job, if you're looking for some good opportunity ko in the career line that you are pursuing handa ki thasida it would be very very beneficial to look for something. And thidragati phangoi ko aduni aina haning is that is the message for career and okay there is also an aspect of braham the towering and regret cha hagoda ba matam do hogi bagi opportunity do khutta gi nan thoki bagi ko aduna khutta gi nan thokta na ba sigi je thokta na ba ko hona bitare career gi duni. And now for financial status and the November tha manung sida Sunday jingi ko I think khara pause laiba spending to bukhot do khara pause laiba enjoyment khara lepa warini ko and pura kahani reserved energy the lakpa adune ko Sunday gi kano je financial status lai ri and yeah look for places where you can earn ko look for places where you can get some cash, get some money paisa gi makhun thiba even if you have a mainstream paisa gi income mainstream ama lairaga sune maybe this is the month where you need to look for new opportunities, new holes for money literally aduga I think career ga financial status ka most of the time mari di laine but mai laine dab siya ko but say sigi case in this case handa ki tha sida Sunday jingi career and financial status kind of related or because pentacles ki card se animak ta are ko so I think you need to save up some for a little while, not some time. And handa ki thasimadi do not spend, that is the message. Be admirable, be the person who saves up and minaga madi saving ka to isyong kanaga haidi mingo da hayo haben but that kind of level of saving to haben ko duni lai se. And financial gis the loire. Let's see for okay love life kida ahambada common card ama tai ko common card is 7 of rods ni and si matung daina single and couples ki branch out tor ko dene so first of all singles ki no the common ki san harage and then singles and couples ki harage so Sunday pokpa jengi love life ki sida there is this sign of 7 of rods have a card say it is about thinking that you might lose the battle habidi podore ai jenga maroi oiroi possible ko oinam namdre kaina khalla kan the last the oi thorok podo adugi kaino poche oidine ba so maybe single jingena na hangai relationship ta leiram daba and me ama pursue to ore khale jeba ko maybe this person might yado mande khalaga ya thorok pugumba ko na hangai yaram daba de ya thorok pugumba and mai khangau dana sungtha thajadana friend circle na chu thajadaba the meeting se sungtha thajadana phalona positive light from the lakpodo dugi card ne bako sije even card se moni jhalakan da su 7 of rods ko maya gi se sida lai se mi ama tangna chai ama tangna keno chai taru ko asine ba khanai je so basically hek yang badadi obviously taruk sina ngamni ama sina ngam moi habo wakal jimi kitim ta leine ba if ani je versus tor ka kana ngamni hadi taruk sina ngamni lok haine ba dubu so tha jadana kano asigi ama tang pa sina ngamak pa adugi card ne ba ko sije unseemingly victory phangba hai ta so aduni singles and couples ki maybe couples ki then if you guys are having problems and stuff oido man re khotre khanba relationships na maybe you guys touch a new phase of the connection then let's see clearance kida okay sina singles ki and sina couples ki okay singles ki dele se na hangai mi phangam daba nupi phangdaba nupa phangdaba wari bo ko mayam je option khara le rak pogumba and option sida khaning ba khanbagi chance lak pogumba ko wari nupi jungai le nupa mayam ga hajalak pogumba nupa jungai le nupi mayam amukta man ani um ga hajalab dulo ya salap pogumba ko yadom ta man raga ni ko je hack to kom ta man raga sa dugumba gi choices open orak pai tare single jing ko maybe this could be even applied to people who are in relationships and like kisi da maybe proposals kar lakpa people asking you out of nowhere and but still see opportunity la ibesing sida ko unseemingly victory phangba haje bagi wane but single jing hande ki Sunday gi single jing sida I think kitang guarded over energy khar leba maleb go even if there are opportunities coming in for love yam ka hena thajadra ba yam ka hena kadawne ge khanto ga mo alo da bagumba dugi energy se leyeba ko single gi side sida single gi side yeng buje essentially pull up ki yeng bani na ko even couples ki side su or separated over me edi couple edi nungdi nungshina ga separation da leyba ko sauna bagi kauna ngana da bad mai leyba kan sida atop opportunity myam chang pado si myam chang pa je yaning da bagumba or entertain to da ko option jing da dei mong da leyeba and for couples ta is 2 of cups love ki card se tar ko very lovingly leba adune ko lay se ado page of swords tar ba so with this connection and this combination of two cards ko there is some sort of nungshina raga lay so ko couple jing ni ko Sunday ge couple jing so there are some things that you guys are not telling each other and aduduna guarded oraga laiba yamna kamahani it is not a good sign in a relationship sigi behavior say the advice on tara agadi it is telling you that advising you not to hide anything from your partner but maybe this is necessary or bas you lo so and I don't need to work her lay the parties the two parties are not happy with each other nungdi nushina raga so it's not that man on the wall lay man nushitra adu makti na tabako adu raga so man on the wall lay khara warawe adugi energy dune bako so basically ngasai khoi generalized reading the matak the 7 of swords 7 of rods tari se sigi matung inadi mai thi dong malaga mai pak pa habne bako love ta and mai thi dong male se hedi reading se love reading gi side sigi kanu se section se conclude to na bani ko single jing na maybe there are many opportunities coming in, but accept only energy se laite habne ko do sigi laitriba kano se maybe you guys change your mind ko, maybe you guys accept one of the proposals or any of the proposals amatang oigera ani boigera accept tawreba, maybe that is the change that might come ko. Joy lay haise ko, unseemingly victory lay haise. And for couples nungsinana lerga su walot na ba khona ba duna guardedness lay bese sigi se haidi mamangi burden khar lay ri hai ko singna harga di sigi kano sida either it's your partner or it's you side animaktagi or musiyai, but previous relationships ko, previous toxic relationships whatever ko, even if it wasn't toxic, even if it was a healthy relationships ko mamang the like relationships ingi kitang baggage lay hobay mong da ko, and it is dragging along with this connection that you are in aduduna adudugi waro pro na ba do wa ju phone ngang thuna da ba du mamong khar lay. So the advice here would be that she might na toxic trait ama lay re ba ko relationship, then it would obviously feel like or a connection je si je maybe bond je kya phasatre mari je kya phasatre ana khalamba ya, but maybe you guys will come out of this adar mathangi kano sidi yang ase December ha sida December monthly reading da ko how are you guys doing as a couple adugi to mathang da yang ase. For now this is the status that you guys are in handagi tha sida si energy dum pura ne. Now love kita mayam hai dagre. Now let's see family and friends kita ko. Family and friends kita lay see okay, 9 of Pentacles, and I think kitang award apa like traga su pung di award apa lay ba, maybe friends ka kitang betrayal guma phangba or bayai seju section ani khadok bayai family and friends have ani na ko. Hambada family si yang bada maybe family da khana chena ba gumba khana chena ba magna traga su it's more like planning to give a poto thokta ba ki khara kitang sour energy ma lebu imung manung da kitang khangde harau bu makti na taba and poksa songro maksu na taba du bu kitang khautak sabe energy, yes khautak sabe energy ko dumba leiba family da. Okay, and friends kida there can be some misunderstandings going on duduna friendship ta kitang stale ko stone nung have je leng de na ko nung gi examples hello gadi it's more like it's not going anywhere ko wari sanada ba leng draba ko communication le rakta pura stone dona pause the leg pa ko the minor misunderstanding khara loina lai re. And last the emotional stability is King of Rods dum phajana providing when phajana dil lai yam ka hena. Okay, regretful energy khara dil lai re ko Sunday gi se maybe ngasai career gi matang du boy gara and financial hadi even love ki su kai gi so adi loin makta I think yam ka hena positive oiba sign ji ta dre ko handa ki November tha ji yo nadi, but positive ta dre ji hadi career da sungai re kara handak se effort hala ba tha ni mahi cha bai tha di oidre ha re finance ki jo spend kya to ko no ha re ko love life ki da su khara wara ga su tung da budi pharak da ngak ta ko du bu chahi loiram dai gi daw pi da bra khang de ko the mine ta re Sunday gi se. And even family and friends as yamna nungai ba mong se udre ko taw ga khan ba thak to thok ta ba kitang nuan da ko ta ba du mong se lai re ba so du na mayam jina yang kana kano si da emotional stability si yam ka hena nungai ba se pi dre, but still ai di isagi na isagi swi hire like the phang da gi hendok ta ba couple ba du mong ha ba na te ko, but more like manung da nuwa jeter so pan hong di udi uthok tre ko adu mong sta lay ba habati affections and emotions se travel to thok ta ba pan thong da manung da dum thamma dum sungjela ka khar di noi ta mong da lay ba, but si hire na thoyam ka hin noi ta ba ka em ta thaba ingang tawning da suning da dum mak ta ba regular life dum hingani, but still sadness khar lay gani handa ki November tha sida Sunday si ko. I think the dawa is kitang phaba paw di pining man do daws kitang pidra handa ki tha sida, but maybe there might be some good things that will happen ko adu gi da magta manifesto minersi and Sunday gi si loire Monday gi mu yengasi okay Monday gi huzik yengasi khoi gi je series 9 dum mathang manau na career ki financial status love life and family and friends co-platter relationships also emotional stability si ga ni English and si ki yeng basida aham da career da my own selasi career gi de lai se maybe you guys are planning something ko thabing gang even if you are doing pursuing something huji khangde planning ki phase da lai re kem da pangthok padi ngamdri huji action thada bagi timing ju oidri ko maybe you guys have been exhausted with previous work line ko previous career line gumbada or hana dagi puramba thabak amada or even handak se thabak ama huji currently puborga so you guys are in the exhausted phase ko handaki Monday sing sigi November thanung sita pi se career da you are exhausted and you should just sit down and plan ya lo sineba but action thada odi hydri ko action thada hydri just be in your reserved energy to reserve taraga maybe it's time for you to take some rest rest as in haragadi job hunting the waba or puriba thabak the waba adugi energy se layeba ko and it's just exhaustion at this point duna duni layri se so maybe just take some notes on it or even if break louder suka it's just that huji handaki thasda nothing astonishing that would come up because it is a general reading mayam gi dum yenga pajaba general reading oibanina yamna angakpa mahi chaba wow yam chimdi shining ka pe adugum se laiteba ado si je handaki chahi loramda gi daw kya pi dabano oidon traga just mayam gi je dum common oina sumaina oibagi mong se ui ko aina yamna ka hen nungai bagi pibam se udi just Friday gi ra mana obum to okay adu malaira and finance ki mu yenga si ko finance ki da anoba pesa changmam je khara thingna ga do male Queen of Cups tare okay finance ki handak se Monday jingi je ko pesa changbam khopam je khara urakani ko thingnarakani and changakani but you need to put your effort in it effort thada di changwa ko si sanagi cup Queen of Cups ko sanagi cup ama para queen amani phamji so andaki tha sita pesa rong sa je khara jom chang pagi lambi di lai but if you do not try hard for it if you do not put in the effort phangdi phangwa ba adi mathoma handan jar chang ka da ba paisa di natte ko and anoba lambi nahangai degi dum ya tho leba lambi ta ba anoba lambi ko paisa gi finance ki paisa gi je thibada phangada wa ko curiosity je khara wanga ga leba thiyo humjalo khochalo ko kai le thiyo phangni haire ko aduna Monday gi se handak se kitang kana ba oina ui pesa nung sai matang di daw se kitang piri handak sida adi mamang tha da October gi monthly da Monday jing se pesa nung sa gi matang da khara wana haigi ko hadi khara ithing bomba or spend to mangam da ba dum ba pesa se kitang wa be mong se ui but handak sida di pesa se kitang jom lakpagi phim je kar ui paisa je na gai panjala leramba paisa du jar lakpa andaki tha je da doni ko lai se Monday gi November thanung sida now for love life se khoina ani thokna pa be ai singles and couples ki ani thokna su branch out to thokani but first of all ko yi generalized oiba Monday jingi love message se kai lai ke habada happy ending gi reverse type so I would conclude it as unhappy ending and ending maktin traga ju khara happiness se khar thiba waba andaki tha se November tha se ko single sing sungai re couple sing sungai re dono ji yenga ji single gi ne kaino couple gi ne kaino have the clearance card ta okay so single sing gi lai sa yamna isai thanda marang kai lejaba isai thanda single sing gi chap chaba tari se easier language ta hairagadi ko araiba lon ta hairagadi single lebi je hinabagi addiction gi bada duna mi khangna bada yam waba just the thought of I mi am khangna ba khona ba date to sira mi am koina jira khan badane haksang ithan da pangwa da wa sabado ado or you guys just maybe came out of a relationship aduduna burden do puning da ba adugumbagi ko habit khar phatta ba because see the bad habit in illustrate tawri se tegina ta ko it's more like okay say human beings sa hoi magi ra ba kita mambagi mathan lai jami su lai ko but most of us are in a pair khoi lai bak ta sema bani ka hani dana mina and I don't necessarily believe in fated couples or fated pairs or whatever aduraga so kanano ma kanam companion ama dum loi lai nei dana ko si companion jiga even if it's a friend or a lover ko companion ama ga life se spend taw mina bana nungai ba even single jingju tina ba isu ngi mara mayam la ngane duna bu wakhal do kaina wasandri ne ba so adu gumbagi fated pairs e yamna reject taw ke energy ma le ko I am self sufficient and a khallaga adu do na happiness is jang pangam da happiness as in love ki aspect prospect ko love ki prospect se jang pangam da ne ba si energy se lai bagi duni lai se and for sorry for couples sing the lai na monday sing sina ko lai ba relationship ta lai ba monday sing se moi se egoistic khar oi ko handaki November thasida maybe you guys are showing some ego yamna wa gang the mo de kaina ka habidi behavior da maybe utning no utpani hande utning dan utpani hande ko du mai fibam je khar oi so because of that misunderstandings create pa or maybe it's something that hedi scenario se makhal yam gre ko ado ani describe ani mu describe tor kane ado da relate to bna to so basically bagi scenario sina ego se uti ne bayamna mi usita ba mo to ko but mi usita ba mo lo da ba isa utning no utpaga utning dan utpaga le utning no utli sina mamang relationship ta ma damaged or ko mandi sing sini ko mamang relationship ta mina mo lo ga da ho da mam le biduna aina zu yam ka aina khanjaba sa gradi khanjaba gi sign je utlaga di mana su ai se hana aina yam khanjaru ra ga bhondo ma mam dunna ai sida aina pamjab se utloige aina khanjab je utloige na khalaga priority list yaudabagi phibam da maina behavior se ulakpa aduna first possibility ko second scenario sina unknowingly unintentionally tawba thabak to ko some hurt tawda magi partner da so basically adugi misunderstanding sidi any hedi side animak sida misunderstanding create tawba ya ko hedi the common misunderstanding that Monday partners na khandu oh nang ai kai maru na khandabni ne ai kai molo da mong to bani ne nang engon da ego lituna din nang ai da kata de habani habana singpa adugum bagi ideology am puraga misunderstanding create to bagi phim zalai queen of swords su tare and six of swords se combination si matung ina tare se ego utpadi gi matung maram dagi ego utpagi maram dagi relationship da kitang nungai na da lakpa daki November tha sida adugum lai so say sida predict han tok thokhram ni maybe you guys can make the amends come maybe you can just kind of bring the solution for it tawda bana ko maybe samain ta thokhram no phare ai je samain ka karta tagim na ai je yamla mi istaba mong se tawrage mala da mong se tawrage habna sing mat maina khalagadi maybe si je thokta bu si ai andaki si gi reading se wrong proof to bu si ai ko adani lai se love life ki dugai lai kare now for family and friends si jo branch out to thokani okay khar providing oina oi kitang positive oina oi family and friends da yamna mayam gi helping hand oiba and independent oina so khangde admirable oiba adugi mong se oi ko it's all the positive traits family and friends ki okay family yani as a family ki dana family se daw kitang pi de family ki oiba thapingang family oi kanong to daw pi de adugi mong se le ko I mong se kitang awa yam kana awa kitang adu mong se lai and okay but imung manung je nungsi chana na phajana dum lai ni khana jana but nungai imung gi nungai ta daw ya da ba je kitang daw ya jatra ga so imung manung ji unity emo ina pull up adum haidi imung gi daw ya ra so sauna bu lai ta bu du imung se lai ba ko and friends ta reserved energy lai friends te yam ka hena handak se pun bu khot pe mong je ude ko pul laga so yam ka hena da ta bu se ude maybe you guys want to reserve your energy puning mongzu di khar guarded oraga leire. Friends ki am ka hena there is nothing special going on. The introvert energy se khar namna leire. Introvert energy as in puning da bokhoning da kitang step back to like kanam tin ningre habidin ta but still and the November ta sida dugi energy se lay friends ki matang da. And for the final one kuni to see the emotional stability ko emotional stability the lay is ya 7 of swords later pukning jida career gi akhoi gi rest lobo matam ne han tai ko rest lobo matam se rest lozer ga so even if your body calls for it even if your head ko your brain calls for it your heart calls for it low rest to nina ta na lobum khangda ba mentality sina dum kok sida nang kem to de nang mirem ka ithanda pangai hejaba do nang kaim oira roi adu to bata to ba thi self deprecating whatever the word is I don't know adugi sense dum taw lebado aduna pothaja pothang khangna ba ithanda thawai nungai ta ba ithanda na ije mai thira ba mini ga pa khanda khan ba dui mong khar lai gani handa ki tha sida so maybe try not to tell yourself those things. That would be the advice for this month. Aduni listen now for Tuesday. Okay, hojik Tuesday gi yeng basida koina paring sum hana dagi yeng pagi format sida ko career gi yeng ani financial status pesha no sa kamai tawbno haidu su yeng ani love life ta ko single zingi amasung relationship ta lebe zingi kamai tawbno and family and friends ta na kamai tawbno koigi life ta lebe platonic relationships sing sigi matang sida su yeng ani ko and finally emotional stability koi pukning ge ba handa ki thas ta kamai lege ni habadu ne bi yeng du se ko sorry aduna koi ji career dagi hawrsi yeng base okay career sen takse awaba oina uiko katang exhaustion awaba pothap makti natri but awaba se uye awaba se uye hagadi pukning sida pasang sa diwat pati ore ko thabak se wari ne haji si general reading mayam ge reading oidoni na Tuesday popo khodi mak thabak toramani hablete Tuesday popo khodi ma like tamba loiji habsle de goduna makhan ne ba ko dubu take it as it resonates but line amata khoi yu chi yang ne career line and the set le basi career line je thabak pu to boy gra like putami boy gra awa boy ra pu do hojik se thawai nungai ta bu khota bana chingba te maybe atei aspects khara su lembe ka thawai nungai ta bagi adubu adu mayam juna sungjala career line dise da su wakhal je pura thada bangam da ba and then thada be effort to su yam kana khangde isada kana boy da career line jida kana bo erak ta buduna wakhal pangwa da wa ba ko adubu mapa thongdi uti uthok ti yari ke thok tana budi honai ko di mong sida leire and si haire dana yamna pangwa da wa su na ta ba khangde pukning da manung da internal struggle oiraga dum leibado adugi mong se lei ko so adugai lai kre and for now let's see financial status to ko okay pesha nung sa gi matang da ki November tha sida lai se pesha ja kitang reserved mode lai ko reserved energy da lai kre pesha nung sa gi matang sida si je seng na ha ga di pesha je 9 of rods sina career da tare 10 of rods sina pesha nung sa da tare do correlation khare de la ani ko khoi gi kano sida career line sida warak pasina isagi enjoyment gi nungai thokna ba paisa nung sa khara di chatlam ba yai maybe October thanung sida or even November horak pada ko si November hol ki reading si oidoni na ma se paisa nung sa khoi gi nungai ta bado enjoyment kitang tor wakhal se ka thok pun ngam na ba wakhal se gi divert tongna ba ko adugi hona ba paisa sa chakhi bado aduduna paisa ji kitang di chin ba mak thar kitang nungai ta ba ko paisa nung sa gi status kitang nungai ba khra wat le aduduna reserved energy da lay even mi pullaga su kholaga su let's say drinks you go out for drinks ko paisa ji kitang puthok ning da ba ko because paisa je hana khar spend khar taw gre je khangja ba gi sana khar khangja ba gi ko kitang spend taw thok ning de handak se kitang reserve mo ta lay re paisa nung sa je ko aduna yare ke di paisa save up taw bu khot pa sina kana ba pi rani ko Tuesday jingi je and love life ki da let's see okay first of all generalized oib hierarchy ko generalized oib bagi singles and relationships da lay singi ko Tuesday pok pasing je lay sa niyom chumna thabak se tawdre niyom chumna thabak se tawdre habasina takpadi single lebasing jina su maybe chak torbe mi khudingi ko and the relationship to lebasing su cheat torombe whatever ko or maybe somebody cheated on you ko adugumbagi energy lay niyom chumba thabakti tawdre ko rebellion adugi ko oida pada ba tawba negative oiba poche tawba adugi energy se lay reba so yang si single singi and relationships the label singi branched out tawri yang si okay clearance kata tari sa single sing the direct the energy of just playing around ko fooling around adugi energy se lay it's more like I self assured oire that I want to be alone. Sine because you say the single single I am self assured I want to be alone. Ishana single pamjay but searching for some fun it can be my hobby. Adugumba type ko. Ngahaki nungay ba thiba. You say sing no lay se. Yamne weirdly accurate or persuasion noning anyways. I get you send it ko me I friend ki friends hatar friends ki moise hajik se single khadi oiri and they're just fooling around and stuff like that so moise hajik se adani I hajik the self assured I sai thanda single laiba nungai je single dum laigani aduga ai gi nungai ba ngaha ki nungai ba thigani sine ko laiba energy je and relationship to laiba jingi God, just a relationship that I busy na like say okay. Pasana giving the oil because relationships but still walot na bakar lai bise the partner amana lot le na ko ado mal lot le kai no di iu na glass wall of glass the iu na bise adu ki type ta ko mane ngo oda pada ba tawre di khanga ka kai me haina ngam da dugi energy se le ko aduna nungdi nungsinai phajana affection su lay dilene but oida pada ba tawre oida pada ba taw busina maram oiraga nungai na daba ko sine bala ka dois so handaki tha sida sigi energy se lay maybe you guys would resolve this issue but sigi energy se lay I don't think the relationship could work. And then this could also apply to people who have recently been separated ko adugumba mong da apply to ba yagani single sing is I hojik parba single sing I feel like Tuesday singles size they are not recently broken up ko adugi energy se bude ba it feels like they have been not in a relationship for a long time ko they have been single for a long time adugumba mong ki energy se lai so that is a weird specific detail anyways mathangda khuyeng si family and friends ki sisu branch out to ni ko family ki tongana friends ki tongana but generalized energy se yang se generalized energy is the lady see dom nu chana phajal lai but there is nothing big happening ko I am kanna choba sma shi khana dore sima do to dore do kam like te dom phajan dom like ni and let's see family ki da okay tabing ang ka taw sanga da khoka da balai imung manung ki chakha thorangi ko da ki tha sida work thada ba effort thada ba energy thada ba adubu handak ki tha sida sodana mahi ka chakhala ka do ba chakha thorang dina te ko but imung gi ba energy thada da poti lai ba doni du ka friends dana okay friends da su yam kana ka bi laite but dum phajana stable oina dil lai friends de yam ka hena as by ai nang ai yam na phaba marup ni ai best friend ne dugum bagi affection je kya show taw da bagi energy je like kon da ki tha je da gratitude or ga su kai ka je show taw thok da ba ai nang je yam thagali kana hiring bu do haidok ta ba da ki tha je da du haidok ta bu na maybe even friends mark ta su kitang kahani khautak sabu dung mong se lay ko so maybe them appreciate to be you friends to ko if you are grateful for them communication lay bisi maruni ko aduna communication lay tabagi mong khar lay friends tadi adunu si chana na am tanu si nadre habdi am talaiti handak se family and friends lon mag phachana lay and finally emotional stability the lay sa let's see okay maybe sigi yo love life da zu pa batadre ko career the career da zu awaba laire and financial status da zu positive batadre positive is simply just family and friends kinina it is more like fattaba aspects mari aphabadi amatang ni dana ko na life ki major oiba career love adugumbada awaba se leirabni na emotional stability dusu ithanda na yamna wajaba mong se leiyeba ko karina chumno karina lalno khangdre aduga mathong marang khangdabagi fattaba habit tuju thadokpa ngamdaba hidi amali dane I only have this khallaga loi clutch tawraga leibado and let the khutse thadokpa ngamdaba fattaba ama paisilaga leiraga and fattaba gara phapagara sigi paisiliba potse habidi just metaphor na haike ba sigi paisiliba potse aibu kangadaba thori ni khalaga paisili ne ba ko but paisili je ishana di aibu kangadaba thori ni khale dana ko my saving hope thread of hope ne na khale do it is hadi tasembagi di hujigi thread of hope ne na uriba illusion do it is a dangerous thing that could cut your hand ko that could hurt you adudana adamaina desperately yala laibudo adoi mohutta let go and you'll find yourself very free and independent and you will not be deep in desperation and hopelessness ko kasu kem tawre sini aiju kai haina consult tawdona game ta but yam awabanate fattaba habit te yal leibado adu thadok piro ko tiusi pokpa singi thawai nungai tabdu su aina thawai nungai tabdu to haira to ko tawna te ba du ergasu fattaba habit te yal leibado di fattaba habit to thadok piu and adu thadok padane afaba habit se dum masana dum jangkani fattaba do to ga de afaba je masana taina fattaba je nakane fattaba thado de afaba dum tare and you will find yourself in a very much happier place and a peaceful place ko mental stability so yamna improvement lakani so don't hold yourself back tanya de choose singi so that is it Wednesday ki mutars ke Wednesday ki reading ni sita khona tawde se adum hana ki mamang da tawkiba admaina career ki ahambadi yengani paisa nusa gi yengani ko financial status love life ki yengani adaki family and friends ko gi life to leba plateauing relationship singzen ta ki November tanung jita ki leike habdu yengani aduga khoi last ta khoni ingde si emotional stability sika haji yeng si career ki sita leisa handaki tha sida November tanung sida career gi matang nangai phangamdaba chapchaba habidi chapchabi phangba haitare ne ko nahangai aranba thabak ki matang da career line pursue tori bo gera thabak tawra bo gera ai gi si phangmam thokpane aina si effort thada re ai gi si phangmam thokpane haiba chang do nahangai phangamda be nahangai injustice thoong ba yai ko adu do handaki November tanung sida sorry justice phangba adune ba lai se ko nangi mai thi kani kaina ka khalamba ke ka degi even thabang apham da yana da khota ba lam be ko colleague singa tawmina ba or career line da nangai aina si chatning ha badi mai pani yada ba khota ba natraga igi obstacle lei buduni yada ba khota ba man apan ba leram ba singse handakti loin ma clear orak pa handaki thanung sida dugi matang da daw yarak pa gi phim su ui ko nangai yana da ba sing su yana rak pa or colleague ka hana khatnaram draga di khanar pu jai ko tabu tawmina ba handaki November thanung je khana ba ji tang sum yana da ba khota ba ideology mana da wakhal mana da ba na ching bani ko haise adamana tare career gi sida ko Wednesday ki career ki okay and hojik financial status paisa nusa gi se amu yeng ko paisa nusa gi matang da leiri sa paisa je chakhalak pa lepu yak ta pa break on pha ba je iwa wa ba admaina adugi sang da lei ko adu sigi sina awa ba khar di pirni paisa nusa je phangbam je tum lei ba phangbam je tum lei gani paisa je ai je loin ma phangbam de ge de lo close over ha bidina ta ko adubu khangde chatpham na yaman bagi ra natraka season abam khangna sina gi banda ki tha sita paisa nusa gi adugi wakhal kitang burden pu bagi mong se ui ko lepu ya da gi chatpa adugi sign jo hapit uramni na paisa khar chatpai mong se lei laki tha sita maybe ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯋꯥꯊꯣꯛ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯋꯥꯊꯣꯛ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯃꯊꯪꯒꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯞꯀꯤ ꯇꯥꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅꯣꯟꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯔꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯈꯪꯍꯧꯗꯅ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯌꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕꯀꯣ ꯁꯗꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯌꯟꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯁꯨꯇꯥ ꯊꯥꯖꯗꯅ ꯏꯊꯥ ꯊꯥꯖꯗꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯔꯣꯗꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯂꯞꯇ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯌꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤꯃꯛꯇꯕꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯦꯔꯤꯖ ꯂꯨꯍꯣꯡꯕ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯦꯕꯤ ꯅꯍꯥꯟꯈꯩ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅꯔꯝꯗꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯀꯥꯏꯅꯔꯝꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅꯔꯛꯄꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯡꯒꯜ ꯑꯦꯟड ꯔꯤꯂꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤꯞꯇ ꯂꯩꯕꯒꯤꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯡꯒꯜꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤꯅ ꯅꯍꯥꯟꯈꯩ ꯀꯥꯏꯅꯔꯨꯔꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯗꯣ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯌꯟ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯅꯤꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯄꯜꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯋꯦꯟꯁꯗꯦ ꯄꯣꯛꯄ ꯀꯄꯜꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯦꯕꯤ ꯆꯦꯟꯕ ꯆꯣꯡꯕ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯂꯣꯡ ꯈꯣꯡꯗꯣꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯦꯠ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯣꯀꯦ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯤꯌꯔꯦꯟꯁ ꯀꯥꯔꯠ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯦꯠ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯖꯦꯅꯔꯦꯂꯥꯏꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯅꯤꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯕꯗꯨ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯅꯤ ꯅꯥꯎ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯑꯣꯀꯦ ꯁꯤꯡꯒꯜꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯈꯔ ꯋꯥꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦꯀꯣ ꯃꯦꯕꯤ ꯃꯨꯚ ꯑꯣꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦꯀꯣ ꯍꯣꯔꯦꯟꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯡꯒꯜꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯒꯤ ꯈꯪꯅ ꯆꯥꯟꯅꯈꯤꯕꯗ ꯃꯨꯚ ꯑꯣꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯁꯦ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯈꯟꯖꯈꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯨꯚ ꯑꯣꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯅ ꯊꯋꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯈꯔ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯈꯪꯍꯧꯗꯅ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯌꯟ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯃꯦꯕꯤ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯊꯥꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯨꯚ ꯑꯣꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯈꯜ ꯂꯩꯗꯣ ꯃꯥꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯐꯪꯉꯛꯄꯩꯅꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯝꯅꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯑꯃ ꯐꯥꯎꯖꯜꯂꯛꯄꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯦꯠ ꯂꯩ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯍꯪꯉꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦꯀꯣ ꯍꯟꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯁꯦ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯋꯦꯟꯁꯗꯦꯒꯤ ꯅꯥꯎ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯀꯄꯜꯁ ꯔꯤꯂꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤꯞꯇ ꯂꯩꯕꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯔꯤꯂꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤꯞꯀꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯗ ꯉꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯔꯤꯂꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤꯞꯇꯤ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯟꯗꯦꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯈꯔ ꯍꯧꯗ ꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯊꯣꯡ ꯃꯔꯥꯡꯍꯟꯗꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯉꯔꯥꯡꯗꯪ ꯀꯣꯏꯅꯗ ꯉꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯄꯥꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕ ꯕꯠ ꯏꯠꯁ ꯃꯣꯔ ꯂꯥꯏꯛ ꯀꯨꯏꯅ ꯁꯥꯡꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅꯔꯛꯄ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯚꯦꯂꯤꯗꯤꯇꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯦꯠꯂꯤꯁ ꯊꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯐꯥꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯔꯕꯗꯣ ꯊꯝꯕꯁꯤꯅꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯀꯄꯜꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯒ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯃꯊꯪꯒꯤ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯐꯝ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯞꯇꯣ ꯅꯤꯌꯣꯝ ꯆꯨꯝꯅ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯂꯦꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯆꯦꯟꯕ ꯆꯣꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯀꯟꯀ꯭ꯂꯨꯖꯟꯁꯦ ꯇꯥꯁꯜꯂꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯃꯤꯈꯩꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯜꯂꯣ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯗꯕ ꯃꯤꯈꯩꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯗꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯗꯤꯛꯁꯟꯗꯗꯤ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯊꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅꯕꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯅꯥꯎ ꯑꯣꯀꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯗꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯒꯤꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯐꯦꯃꯤꯂꯤ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯁꯀꯤꯅꯤ ꯐꯦꯃꯤꯂꯤ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯁꯇꯁꯨ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯅ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯆ ꯑꯥꯎꯠ ꯇꯧꯊꯣꯔꯛꯀꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯐꯦꯃꯤꯂꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯁꯀꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯣꯚꯔꯑꯣꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯖꯦꯅꯔꯦꯂꯥꯏꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯥꯏꯗꯤꯌꯥꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯊꯥꯁꯤꯗ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯊꯥꯡ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯈꯔ ꯒꯥꯔꯗꯦꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯂꯦꯞꯇꯤ ꯂꯦꯞꯄꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯂꯦꯞꯄꯤꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯐꯦꯃꯤꯂꯤꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯂꯦꯞꯄꯤꯅꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯁꯀꯤꯁꯨ ꯂꯦꯞꯄꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯂꯦꯞꯄꯒꯁꯨ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯃꯤꯁꯦ ꯊꯥꯖ ꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯑꯔꯣꯟꯕ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯋꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯦꯠ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯅꯔꯖꯤꯁꯦ ꯂꯩꯀꯣ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯁꯇꯁꯨ ꯐꯦꯃꯤꯂꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯦꯠ ꯀꯨꯞꯁꯟꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯤ ꯐꯦꯃꯤꯂꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯁꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯀꯦ ꯁꯣ ꯐꯦꯃꯤꯂꯤ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯁꯀꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯐꯦꯃꯤꯂꯤꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯆꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯈꯠꯅ ꯆꯩꯅꯗꯅ ꯂꯩ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯊꯥꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯏꯃꯨꯡꯗ ꯋꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯇꯦ ꯃꯦꯕꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯀꯗꯕ ꯋꯥ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯄꯔꯁꯅꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯇꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯎꯠꯄꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯁꯦ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯊꯥꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯁꯇ ꯋꯥ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯉꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯇꯕ ꯀꯣ ꯈꯔ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯞ ꯕꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯊꯥꯁꯤꯗ ꯐꯦꯃꯤꯂꯤ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯁꯇ ꯋꯥ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯉꯥꯡꯅꯤꯡꯗꯕ ꯀꯣ ꯋꯥ ꯈꯔ ꯑꯔꯣꯟꯕ ꯊꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯅꯔꯖꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯅꯤꯃꯛꯇ ꯄꯨꯏ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯇꯥꯏꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯁꯣꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯋꯥ ꯉꯥꯡꯗꯕ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯁꯣꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯐꯦꯃꯤꯂꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯋꯥ ꯉꯥꯡꯗꯕ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯁꯇꯁꯨ ꯋꯥ ꯉꯥꯡꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯋꯥꯁꯦ ꯉꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡꯅꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯉꯔꯣꯏ ꯀꯣ ꯈꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯔꯛꯑꯔꯣꯏ ꯋꯥꯔꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯅ ꯔꯤꯂꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯈꯔ ꯋꯥꯕ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯏꯊꯟꯇ ꯉꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯏꯊꯟꯇ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯐꯥꯎꯖꯕ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯦ ꯏꯂꯩ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯟꯖꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯁꯦ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯅꯥꯎ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯏꯃꯣꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯕꯤꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯃꯣꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯕꯤꯂꯤꯇꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯇꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯀꯅꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟꯗꯣ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯕ ꯃꯦꯕꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯌꯔꯗꯗꯤ ꯗꯥꯎ ꯈꯔ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯥꯗ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯐꯦꯃꯤꯂꯤ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯁꯀꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯑꯄꯟꯕ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯩꯕꯗꯣ ꯐꯦꯃꯤꯂꯤ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤꯃꯛꯇꯕꯨ ꯂꯥꯏꯐꯇ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯨꯡꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯐꯦꯃꯤꯂꯤꯒ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯁꯀꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯃꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯂꯧꯅ ꯂꯩꯅꯒꯗꯤ ꯈꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯅꯠꯇꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯎꯅꯗꯅ ꯈꯣꯠꯇꯅ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯔ ꯂꯩꯕꯗꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯗꯅꯀꯣ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯔ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯐꯦꯃꯤꯂꯤꯒ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯁꯀꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯐꯦꯛꯁꯤꯅ ꯈꯔ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯅꯝꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯁꯦꯀꯣ ꯋꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯇꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯇꯕ ꯃꯦꯕꯤ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯇꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯋꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯇꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯇꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯏꯊꯟꯇ ꯇꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯂꯤꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯗꯣ ꯏꯁꯥꯅꯁꯨ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯩꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯏꯁꯥꯅꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯇꯕꯗꯨꯅ ꯋꯥ ꯂꯣꯠꯈꯤꯕꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯏꯊꯟꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟꯁꯦ ꯀꯅꯥꯝꯇꯅ ꯈꯟꯗꯦ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯏꯊꯟꯇ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯥꯏꯗꯤꯌꯣꯂꯣꯖꯤꯗꯨꯃ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯥꯎꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯀꯅꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯅꯕꯦꯝꯕꯔ ꯊꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯥꯔꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯇꯥꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯒꯅ ꯇꯥꯅꯕ ꯇꯧ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯇꯥꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ ꯁꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯚꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯇꯧ ꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯆꯦꯟꯕ ꯆꯣꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯔꯠꯀꯤꯗꯨ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯁꯨꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯋꯦꯅꯁꯗꯦꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯗꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯀꯨꯞꯁꯟꯅ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯗꯀꯣ ꯑꯣꯀꯦ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯊꯔꯁꯗꯦꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯀꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯌꯦꯡꯗꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯐꯣꯔꯃꯦꯠꯇꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯊꯔꯁꯗꯦꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯌꯦꯡꯗꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯤꯌꯔꯅꯦ ꯐꯥꯏꯅꯥꯟꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯇꯁꯅꯦ ꯂꯚ ꯂꯥꯏꯐ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯐꯦꯃꯤꯂꯤ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟడ్ꯁ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯐꯇ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯇꯣꯅꯤꯛ ꯔꯤꯂꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤꯞꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯐꯥꯏꯅꯂꯤ ꯏꯃꯣꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯕꯤꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡꯁꯦꯀꯣ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯊꯥꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯨꯠꯁꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯀꯔꯤꯌꯔꯗꯩ ꯍꯧꯔꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯤꯌꯔꯗ ꯇꯥꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯁꯣ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯗꯥꯎ ꯌꯥꯗꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯐꯝ ꯈꯪꯉꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯀꯣ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯏꯟꯈꯥꯡ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯣꯀꯦ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯤꯌꯔꯦꯟꯁ ꯀꯥꯔꯠꯇ ꯇꯥꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯆꯪꯁꯟꯕ ꯊꯕꯛꯇ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯇꯕ ꯀꯔꯤꯌꯔꯁꯦ ꯃꯦꯕꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯝꯃ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯧꯒꯦ ꯃꯦꯟ ꯁ꯭ꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯝ ꯖꯣꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯧꯒꯦꯅ ꯈꯟꯕ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯁ꯭ꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯝ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯋꯔꯛ ꯂꯥꯏꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯦꯝꯒꯦꯅ ꯈꯟꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯅꯧꯕꯁꯤꯃ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯁꯟꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯃꯅꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯊꯔꯁꯗꯦꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯈꯟꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗ ꯄꯣꯖ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯥꯛꯁꯟꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯁꯦ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯅꯕꯦꯝꯕꯔ ꯊꯥ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯔꯤꯌꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯑꯦꯁꯄꯦꯛꯇ ꯌꯦꯡꯒꯦ ꯈꯟꯕꯗꯣ ꯐꯪꯉꯣꯏꯗꯧꯔꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯐꯝ ꯈꯪꯉꯣꯏ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯈꯔ ꯋꯥꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯀꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯆꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯟꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯄꯥꯝꯗꯕꯃꯛꯇꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯕꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯈꯔ ꯋꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯁꯦ ꯎꯏꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯁꯨ ꯋꯥꯍꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯦꯠ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯊꯥꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯈꯟꯕ ꯊꯕꯛꯇꯣ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯟꯕꯗꯤ ꯉꯝꯃꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯗꯤ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛ ꯗꯦꯊ ꯀꯥꯔꯠꯅ ꯄꯣꯁ ꯇꯧꯁꯜꯂ ꯊꯝꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯊꯥ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯇꯥꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯃꯊꯪꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯥꯏꯅꯥꯟꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯇꯁ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯩꯁా ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯥꯁꯦ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯅꯕꯦꯝꯕꯔ ꯊꯥꯁꯤꯗ ꯊꯔꯁꯗꯦꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯋꯥꯔꯅꯤ ꯄꯩꯁꯥꯁꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯣꯟꯅ ꯇꯩꯅꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯚꯥꯏꯗꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯐꯤꯒꯔꯗꯣ ꯑꯣꯟꯅ ꯇꯩꯅꯅ ꯇꯥꯏꯑꯕ ꯁꯣ ꯃꯦꯕꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯆꯪꯐꯝ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯂꯥꯛꯐꯝꯁꯦ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯗꯧꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯊꯠꯆꯟ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯎꯏꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯅꯕꯦꯝꯕꯔ ꯊꯥꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯩꯁꯥꯁꯦ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯆꯦꯛꯁꯤꯟꯅ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕꯀꯣ ꯖꯣꯝ ꯇꯧꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒꯗꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯋꯥꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯦꯕꯤ ꯊꯥ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯝꯗꯥꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯗꯥꯎ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯀꯣ ꯗꯥꯎ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯤ ꯎꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯔꯛꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯈꯔꯗꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯋꯥꯗꯧ ꯂꯩꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯟꯁꯦ ꯇꯧꯊꯣꯛꯇꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯇꯣꯛꯇꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯧꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯣꯀꯦ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯅꯥꯎ ꯂꯚ ꯂꯥꯏꯐꯀꯤꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯡꯒꯜ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯀꯄꯜꯁꯀꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯖꯦꯅꯔꯦꯂꯥꯏꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯔꯤꯗꯤꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯖꯦꯅꯔꯦꯂꯥꯏꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯀꯥꯔꯠꯁꯦ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯗ ꯃꯦꯖꯤꯁꯤꯌꯟꯁꯤꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯇꯥꯕꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯁꯤꯐꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯆ ꯑꯥꯎꯠ ꯇꯧꯊꯣꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯡꯒꯜꯁꯀꯤ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯀꯄꯜꯁꯀꯤ ꯀꯩꯀꯩ ꯂꯩꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯅꯥꯎ ꯖꯦꯅꯔꯦꯂꯥꯏꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯦꯁꯦꯖꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯅꯕꯦꯝꯕꯔ ꯊꯥꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯔꯤꯂꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤꯞ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯁꯤꯡꯒꯜꯁ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯂꯚ ꯑꯦꯁꯄꯦꯛꯁꯦ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯗꯥꯎ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯈꯜꯂꯤꯉꯩ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯕꯠ ꯏꯁꯥꯗ ꯏꯒꯣ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯅꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯌꯥꯔꯛꯑꯅꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯐꯪꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯏꯒꯣꯏꯁꯇꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯦꯕꯤ ꯏꯚꯟ ꯗꯥꯎꯟꯐꯣꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯄꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯏꯀꯣ ꯕꯠ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯅꯥꯎ ꯗꯥꯎ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯗꯥꯎ ꯀꯥꯞꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯦꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯣꯀꯦ ꯅꯥꯎ ꯄꯔꯁꯣꯅꯦꯂꯥꯏꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯁꯤꯐꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯤꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯡꯒꯜꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯀꯄꯜꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯊꯔꯁꯗꯦꯒꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯣꯀꯦ ꯊꯔꯁꯗे ꯁꯤꯡꯒꯜꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤꯁꯦ maybe you guys are planning anouba mi amada hai khotkena khanbado adugi hujiki planning tawrubado aina dum ngamdo laire khallubagi ego sina downfall aina hujik haigibudniko soidana dum phangdo lere ka dore kana khanbagi wakhalonjina downfall oigani habise leiko tuma leire single jingi. Now for relationships sing laiba couple jingi ko couple jingi yangagadi amana mai mamda hena khangningba curiosity wangba trying to learn each other, understand each other dugi je tai ko, and it's a good sign. There is nothing negative going on for the relationship couple people ko love ki matang ladi, and niyom chun phajana chat ke na khale maybe you guys have had the talk, the serious talk ko phajana gyan tana wari sana thopal dung bo ram be adu na couple jing se Thursday jingi couple jing se relationship will be going good for this month November thasi yona ko phajana khande negativity si yaw dra amana memam da phajana emagi shortcomings ki kasu I want to know them, I want to understand them kana khan bado ko wakhal jamna gyan ta bagi wakhalo na malak pai tare na dui mong su yeba. And for singles and as I do not take everything for granted. If you want something, put in effort ko adu effort ta thada di kaimta phangoi dum upai leitana dum maithi dum nang tamne, so take note aduka sige leira. Now for family and friends, see you branch out to ko, but generalized message in a in this month November thanung sida you guys will be given a choice, aduga choice to the option choose over the warak pado tobom khangdaba adu mong like ko maybe family situation da and friendship da su obe ko, but animakta oiba na tra amatang do oiba one or both do kitang specific yung asi friends, family and friends, okay. Friends da kitang daw ya family jani yang family da you guys have a happy family ko handa ki thas da thaw sauna ba khana chana bisi lady late, but I think you guys will be given a choice. The si choice si matong ina imong manung adum yanaraga laibado dum nusiana laibado adu to continue tawa ma natraga na hojik the choice that you will be making adu dugi maram dagi saunar pani hangde nuainak tabni hangde adugumba ma lakpa ma, so it depends on you that choice hojik tawdori ba imung manung the effect tawgadaba choice ti oido male ba ko sigi choice se ado you need to decide for yourself. Have this guitar the direct them haga dona te bisi taw gana phani si taw gana phatlo ya but it's just one of the many possibilities. So aina sigi choose adi aina sigi thabak ko action pang ko doriba choose taw doriba je is my family more important, or my family's happiness more important, or the thing that I'm going to do, the action that I'm going to take, which will essentially affect the effects lakadori ko family da so whole dynamics da. So you need to make the choice for yourself and own it. And family ki to later friends kida maybe you guys have been pulling the burden ko ID friends ki mayam tinabagi burden je I think communication boygara, so it is kind of overwhelming and hojik yamna tired oirakpa kholakpa aduduna kitang lapthoke khanba aduduna adugi maram dagi ni ko haise friends jina maybe misunderstand tawba dugi daw kitang yada ba paw phawdona daba dagi maram oiraga ko to mong je ui. So kaso kuina sangna chakadaba misunderstanding budina teko wari sadona daba gi oba misunderstanding dana but sigi thanung sida oiraga maybe next month horokpada clear oi thonor pokholakpa dung mai mong se ui. Okay, now for emotional stability is a mostly khoi gi paisa nungsa career ko even love life to budi phajana dare duga family and friends ke kada kitang up and down stable oiba se pak laite dana ko dugumba laibasina I feel like emotional stability page of cups it is unpredictable ko emotions so unpredictable oiraga dum kakhle kumdai graph se ko adugi mongda laibado. So handagi thase don't pre-plan anything, advice ta haraga diko because warine koi ba the date am chakki kaina plan taro aduga hayeng chatuna ba ngasi ungtang da kanom imana pani khangde imung ima ge pa gani khangde kitang ichin naw da makto jo ro khana chaina ba khona ba dugumba thoka sauning ba khot pa dagi mood ka thina off or ga chat to saru ko na ta ye thok pu ngai te na pre plan gi thabak se yare ge di da ki thanung si da Thursday jing gi tham da pa ko chat pa gi or ga su kanom pun ba gi or ga su khuda ki du na taw ba dun na mai pa kani aduni Thursday gi and ki November thanung si da tar is now. Let's move on to Friday. Okay, and the reading me am say the Friday na daw ya bai mong toy tay jingi di daw je khara pi record bu Friday jingi di daw je pasana loi kape. So first of all kana newcomer orgadi, welcome to this reading, welcome to the channel. Career gi hani yengani ko khoi si reading sida Friday pokpa jingi mapok na Friday oi jingi ko career yengani adui matung da khoi gi sigi okay financial status ko financial ngatang bram chalore career gi yengani handaki thanung se ke lege financial status pesanu sa na ching pesanu sa gi matang da ko handaki thar se career status te lei ko and kano ki love life ko essential love life and family and friends platonic relationships ki to ana mu yengani kari lege handa thar se ha bu ma du ko last emotional stability, how is the mood for this month ko so first let's see career ki ko career the ladies and se mayam pakpa even if nahanga puma muraja handak se am thina daw kapa and amamba sangna pumamam gailam badon mangal urak the ray of hope, ray of sunshine the mine urak pai mong se lai ko Clarence Carter tar siyang si okay maybe there is some bad habits or something bad toxic that is involved with the career line ko career pursue to basically maybe bad habit sigi toxicity am yale basically toxicity yale je sigi maram jina jo I think this made way for this success sigi daw ya ba pura ibo ko but no matter what you say, no matter what anybody say daw ya da toxicity pura pusalak pa daw je kaisu kuina di khangal loi ko dubu handa kiji yenga si daw si di kapi phasana ko immediate oba daw arm basi ai kana khangni so kare se daw pi budi haira but let's see daw se thak ngala ma thak mut ki do daw mali ko si mong je toxicity pusalak pa se oi bani na okay now let's see makatana financial status finance ki da lai se finance ju paisa sa chang da mukun myam lai ba male already hana dagi mainstream of income lai ra su anda ano ba chang pham ko ano ba khar lai ba mali si ke no ba sina you just have to show people that you work hard for it aduga tum jara chang ka do ba mong se lai ko sometimes atai gi reading da ta ba di paisa je hona dre chang oi ko effort thada dre chang oi kan have lai but si da uli je si card si da si finance ki da tari se ko Friday jingi tabak to asing mong effort thada dre ka so you just need to show people, you just need to make others believe that you deserve it aduna dugumbam lai ra paisa gi opportunity phajaba ma lai handa ki ta asida let's see if you get it or not duni okay just planning ko khar thadar kan da phanga da po chu male ko because planning gi setup am chu tan na kana dari two of frauds you just planning and plotting this thing and dukandar you need to show people that you deserve it, you need to show and need to make others believe that you work hard adugumba that you are admirable ko adu matung da you have this golden opportunity approaching dum later now after career and finance makhada lai risa love ki so love ki je Friday singles and Friday relationship ta lai basing ko loinma ki generalized message ama lai ni da si matung da branch out tor ko dena so generalized message ta lai risa singles and couples everybody is happy and the kithazi da November thanung the Friday jingi mi jingja single su double su loi haraure ko now branch out to ba message yengi personalized specific oiba singles ki okay options khara chang kani singles ingi daw khara yarani ko daw yarani habiti nahangai chang taba nahangai as kaino ne kanamta kaimta I opportunity jamta chang te da love ki da prospect amta chang te da khalu bajing da handati prospect chang kani hana tare ko and changa ga chu prospects ni entertain tawning bagi mood se lei tabagi mong dai but I think one of them will come true ko prospect mari manga chang pagi prospect ani uhum hajne at least ani uhum chang pasida amatang di adi Friday jingjina ko khangde da I don't wanna do this kind of khalaga moje distance amada thambada one of them ko changa yo me amar to dagi one of them will make it through that wall that you're building up and you will find your happiness sort of ko habidi love na happiness love khatla na happiness piga da bani habagi wana tabako so sometimes you need that little piece of happiness and excitement in life so adugi dumalaira and then now for couples Friday popo jingi couples da mogi love ki message la is trying to get to know each other you guys are in a serious thing that is going on connection is serious oire and phazan amana magdam ta lep ken khalle ko even financially invest ogena ju khalle phazan se relationship se to ki mati invested oire party ani magse there is nothing bad going on nothing toxic in this relationship and yamna positive vibration the energy I don't even want to say vibration energy ko yam positive energy se puthoi sigi connection jina so positive influence sulai Friday jingjita ko okay so it is good for you and stability personal later thina stable or labor connection is the minor lay and there is happiness is coming for you in love Friday jingi Duni now let's see family and friends ko si jo branch out to kini family amashong friends ge but the generalized message ko life ta leba platonic relationships ki matang na generalized message kai no haragdi there is you are in the energy of ningthau machagi empress ki but it's about being the providing mother figure ko males or females so you can be a mother figure family and friends mother figure as a mayam gi provide to buduni ko mayam matiyang pang ba very helping or ba kind or ba do gi figure do family da so do portray to ba and khoi friend circle da so do portray to ba figure mo or ba ta ne ko now personalizing see why do I keep saying personalized it's not personalized it's specific okay family da is in niyom so na thabak tawni and queen of cups to empress and queen of cups is family da kimati pasan providing or maybe you are one of the main breadwinners of the family Friday jingje ko si card si ying is main income source or ba kumbo or even main that is one of the main income sources do na provide to bangamba mayam gining butungan mangamba do na kangde mayam na dum phajana madi yam kani tawbam thokpa thabu tawe habagi admire do ba yam na respect people respect phangba du gum mong se layeba ko and after that friends da there is an aspect of washing I don't know the ba ko yingsin na ba as in maybe jealous of your success maybe thinking wrongly about you nangi maram da Friday jingi maram sida khangdadana ko wa je sing na don't know the bai khangdadana siran trang khallaga yamna yeng thi ba tare ne adugi energy se layeba ko so maybe you guys need to resolve that friend circle gi ni ko si specifically so friend circle do laira and eventually you will get your happy ending with the friends in the emotionally very fulfilling oiba malayaba that you won't find in family and lover and anywhere else. So friends are very necessary. Aduni misunderstanding clear to ma yaudana edum hingami ga na khanbagi attitude to lauthok piraga. Maybe you need to resolve that. And lastly, emotional stability. Emotional stability the layers. Eight of Cups. Maybe you do know that the luck that is coming to you is that, ngatangi ting 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 disco light tong nga lamaga loige do daw ne khangbra khangde ko, or maybe you do not know. Whatever it is, the pukning the mi pai bam phau bagi, you feel like nothing is going to work out, aduna with hado ka chening bagi ko, you are abandoning success, love and everything and just going away to the energy like you just want to hide away. So you just feel like you want to lock yourself up in a room and just never come out. But advice the higher just have faith. I feel like saying these words does not help much, but that is what I would say to you even in real life. If I could help you, I would help you. And yeah, I'm just rambling now. Okay, so that was Friday gi, and after that, let's see, Saturday gi. Last but not the least, Saturday gi koina si newcomer oiragadi aina introduce those again koigi si reading sida hambada monthly gi oina ko yengbasida career gi, financial status, handaki thasta kamang mai leiba, and love life, how is it ko the matunda koigi life the leiba platonic relationships sing, family and friends ko si matang da sondagi thasta kai kai lei yengani amasung last oina emotional stability koina kamang mai lady hingi handaki thasi gi mood se kamanaba mood and how it will be ko sine be yeng dise. So November thasi gi career di yeng sa hamda Saturdays ingi career sida kitang nungai na daba lak pa yai career gi matang sida even colleague khatna ba khot pa dugumba lak pa yai ko, or atai side tatabo the mainstream ba taw thabak to natraga so atopa thabak or ba yai ko, but colleague yana da basidi yam thina main focus oina phajana chawna yaure. And I feel like this roots from magi mara jakai de horge si khanaba maram jakai de horke abada it stems from this unrecognized work ko Saturdays in the Tobikiba, Mona di Masing Tabertaba, Mayam Tobikiba, Panyam wana physically or mentally or emotionally, Mayam invest Zagiba Korkiba, though Mona recognized Tortaba says it again. Yana the Bakanabza Dugumbasa Lapagi Pim delay, maybe talk it up as you but topi chances carry delay. So maybe you, if you want to avoid it, just avoid it. And the career Matangani, Huzikiduna. And now let's move on to finances. The Kitazigi financial status is a daukara p de ko. Pesazina Chakibana Ian Hangani Jara Zakani Lakpam Mut Labrasuna Tabalakpam didn't labor as it was always as before ko. Home but still Chakibana Himran Baduna, Daxe Dawya Yadabagi, Peshan Samatanda Kapsepra Hidu Eba Cambra. Kapse pura on tena targa kaim te yaud khali ore adugi phibam ni laitu. So maybe breaker phabiro pochai shopping ke ka to bada spend to bakhar lepi ba nahangai to ma'am de cut off kha to ko cut off kha to birni shopping ke ka boigar mo extra expenses things ko, and maybe you can just survive this one. Sigi matung da khoi gi lai se love life ki matang sida okay. Love life say koi single and Saturday opposing a single and couples ingi generalized message ko. After this generalized message say aina deliver to matungda I will branch this out and singles ingi Saturday singles and Saturday couples ki tongana message ani hire ane. So first of all, the generalized message is handaki kanosida handaki November thanong sida relationship ta leiba oigera single leiba mayam je people won't show gratitude. people won't show gratitude sisina main theme of career da so the mam da khana gare love life da so the matang dani and maybe even family start pa yenga si but for now koina khang je career da su gratitude ulak ta bagi tabi mal khang da bagi sounding but na khana chenak pa yai hai ne ba kon mai to dana khoi ki sigi kano se love life da so aina magi dam ta utpi gi baina magi ta tau gi ba khot ki ma ma recognize to de dune ba ko warau de je. This could apply to both sides, I think. Sunday dasu and Sunday dasu. Sorry. I think single dasu aba. Single dasu and couples dasu. So, yung si specific or si singles ki and couples ki. Okay. Singles in dala isa. Okay. Option la ambaya ibo. Maybe me ma pursue to nga mi atopa magi option lakpa. Ado samaina option lakpasida amada aidi amatang da lep khre kai khallaga ne atopa option da entertain sung to rudabado. And now I think this other person ko main person je sisina nangonda di atopa jo hari to kholu di kan haraga wrong allegations mayam to salakpado habadi nang di mit joy khotle habna chingba aduna ina ngonda yabatale single jingi narrative ni ko ina ajina aduna adugum leibaduna sounding akpodo aina magi damakta asomda bhaw bo pize asomda mo bo lorde aduga managa ingondo hojik tasmaina ga haiba khotpa kaina ga khallaga thawai je khara chakpa gratitude yam khangdi tabumal khangdi ade magi dam tabu dine te ko dura chan trang na ngam khotpa adugi energy do layebo ko. Now for relationships the label jingi je ko relationship the label jingi na kaino lai sa okay couple jingi ko Saturday jingi couple jingi lai jina wang na dre pun de kai lai share ta na dre aduduna there is no movement kaim the ling dre chap yung lai ga chap le pa lai ga connection je bo ko andaki tha manung sita. So maybe if you do not want this ko couple jing Saturday couple jing noi wari khar saba changi serious talk mature talk ko wari sa do o phajana gyan tanara manama adukanda you can solve this. But if you want this to happen then just let it happen. Now love life ki sida loira matang ko yung dije family and friends ki jo generalized message saying it delivered or matunda we will divide it into family message and friends message. Okay, platonic relationships ki handak November thagi lai sa daw yam yai daw pidi daw kape aduni ko lai sa and branch out to bata tai si. Okay. Family tana wa kya ngang nadre share down nadre ko but still daw the pidi pa im manung kanong to bata aina chumaran khangdraga chu sina chumi bra sina la lebra khara confusion le raga ju kanong to bada ne judgment je yaw dan to daw hekta yagi bugum bo oido male ko imung ki chakha tharang ki wari ni ko sina imung ge ba thabak ne isha gi side ki bana taba imung ge ba thabak ta ado isa da doubt khar laiba gi mong di ui doubt to lairaga su dum thabak se dum pangsen dum action lo khokki dum magi masan dum chumgani henda ki tha manung je daw khar piri ko imung manung gi na thabingang to bada. And then friends ki da yang si okay yamna kangni mayamna admire tawna ba friend circle da dugumba karma sak thokpa mi adumaina oiba maliko Saturday jingje handak se adugi energy puye ba adu constantly oiram ba oiram da ba but handak se di adugi energy do pure mayam na attention je Saturday da friend circle am da ngak phamina boro ngak pun boro Saturday jingji da direct adum miyeng ta tarak pa mayam gi attention grabber oiba adugi mong se ui ko. So because of that you feel like you cannot show them, you cannot tell them about your imperfections ko yes hoy ba ye ka jing I don't ning dreba moina picture perfect or ba image ma mo gi mind create to gram na du na you feel like you cannot share it with them. The friend has makta bodu share to na ba lenga tani ko egi imana bi le jing ja ado du share to bangam dram na it feels like you do not have anybody to share anything with. Aduduki maramduna, I think it would be better to share it. Loinamak friend circle mayam do natraga so at least amani na yamna thazaba ko. Just to lessen the burden. There to the personal advice. Anyways, lastly, they say emotional stability. Emotional stability, the lady said, you just want to fight. You have this warrior state of mind. I need to fight through everything. I'm strong. Adugumbagi wakalon. Adugumbagi mentality sikara pure handaki tha manung sida ko. And payo po thadon ba aigini kana kara hangde handak se paisa nung sa jungai kara wani habase matare. Okay. Wani haba tabani na kitang zu kaino pang sida jibo kanao jibo. Paisa nung sa je ay kaya na pa. Okay. Si tari siya paisa nung sa kutagi thadok ningde ko thadok ningde kaso dum chatkiba aduduna sauning ba khananing ba mi khara khananing ba gi mood chalai maybe family member ja khana ho dura khangpote ko aduga fighting spirit chalai budo adagi thas da mane ni sare gi lei se ai jo thingjalam no uishila ka dore uiba horani aduga tumani. Okay, good night. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, like it and share it and comment over mo comments na gi biggest encouragement ni ko mayam comment para kay thawai nuai se comment kha over mo duga ai English ngangi kaya ga mo ngang bakang guduna mo kaya dano khangdre isu sawayati makhal mathena duni English ngang da pa magana ko na ngang da ba yeng ba duni may do babu additional ba videos khara toin thakal na patawrage mayam handak se thaba khara chinju chili sangju sange hai thai hana gi compare to ga di handak thaba so khara sange do bo muksu yenga ga di thabak se atai mawong da chin ba laidana ko hana na ai gi oina chin ba hojik na imung gi oina chin ba aduni obstacles dum lak to lere ai ningam na ba thagalak na ba hona gi na khale. Thank you for watching so far, and good night.